In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this amazing hair growth treatment for super amazing and hair breakage deep conditioner that you can add to your hair care routine for healthy hair growth. If your hair is breaking, thinning out or falling out, this deep conditioner is definitely for you and you are in the right place. Honestly guys, it's super amazing at preventing hair shedding, hair breakage. As well as this, it will help you to retain length and hydrate your hair because it will minimize hair breakage. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any useful information. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Grab a seat and let's get into it. So the first ingredient that we're going to be using is avocado. So I'm going to be making use of 2 avocado in today's video. So if you have long hair, you can go ahead and use 2 to 3 avocado. And if you have short to mid-length hair, you can go ahead and use 1 ripe avocado. So the reason why I'm using avocado in today's video is because avocado is amazing for our natural hair. It moisturizes your hair, it fights against dandruffs, it adds shine to your hair, it softens your hair, it also promotes hair growth as well. Avocado also contains vitamin B, vitamin E, and vitamin D, which helps to prevent hair from breaking, and it also helps to strengthen your hair shaft. Vitamin E and vitamin D that contain in avocado helps to repair scalp damage. It moisturizes your scalp if you have scalp dryness, and it also helps your hair to grow as well. So if you're consistent at using avocado, it will help to keep your scalp healthy. It will promote healthy hair growth. As well as this, it will also help to also soften your hair and keep your hair hydrated as well. So basically, I just went ahead and cut the avocado. Then I transferred the avocado into the blender. The next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is moringa. So moringa is known to boost hair growth and also add volume to your hair. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. If you don't have moringa powder, you can also use fenugreek seed as well. Fenugreek seed is also amazing for deep conditioning as well. So moringa helps to boost hair growth, as I mentioned before. It contains vitamin A, vitamin B, and omega-3 fatty acid. All those nutrients nourish the hair and promote hair growth. Vitamin A play a crucial role in development of healthy cells. So to help with the blending process, I'm going to go ahead and add my DIY hair growth oil. So this is my ginger, onion, and rosemary hair growth oil. So you can go ahead and add any oil of your choice. Use whatever oil that works best for your hair type.
Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bit.
So once I'm done blending, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain it out. So guys, if you guys are still watching this video to this point, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so.
You're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here,
So once I'm done straining, this is how it looks like.
with his humble lacking everlasting.
Our next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is fresh aloe vera leaves. So if you don't have fresh aloe vera leaves, you can also use flaxseed, okra, or aloe vera juice. So I went ahead and cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces. Then I removed the aloe vera gel. Then I transfer the aloe vera gel into the blender. So aloe vera is really good for our hair, especially if you have a natural hair. It helps to minimize hair shedding, hair breakage, and hair fall. It hydrates your hair. It's amazing for detangling your hair as well. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which helps to promote healthy cell growth. Once I'm done removing the aloe vera gel, I went ahead and blend until it's smooth in consistency, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm just going to go ahead and strain it out. So if you have a natural hair and you find it really difficult to comb your hair or to detangle your hair every single wash day, I would suggest you should incorporate aloe vera into your hair care routine. It's really amazing. Not only will it help to detangle your hair, it will also help to minimize hair breakage and hair fall as well. Once I'm done straining the aloe vera out, this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the aloe vera, the avocado, and the moringa together. So guys, you want to make sure to mix all those ingredients really well. Honestly guys, when you use this treatment often on your hair, you're going to see amazing results over a short period of time. You will start to see a difference in your hair when you use avocado, moringa, and aloe vera. The three combination is super amazing and very powerful. So if you have low porosity hair, adding aloe vera to this treatment would definitely benefit you guys, because low porosity hair find it really hard to allow moisture to penetrate into the hair shaft. So if you have low porosity hair, you definitely want to incorporate aloe vera into this treatment because it would definitely benefit your hair. So once I'm done mixing all the ingredients together, this is how it looks like. I love the color. The color is everything. You can also add honey to this treatment as well if you like. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply this deep conditioner to my daughter's hair. So this conditioner is for those who are suffering from extreme hair breakage. If your hair is breaking really bad, if you're suffering from hair shedding and hair fall, you guys need to definitely try this conditioner. As I always mention in all my video, consistency is the key. You have to use it consistently in order to see amazing results. The first time you apply this treatment to your hair, you're going to notice that your hair will feel super soft and super hydrated, and your hair will feel really good. Then the more you use it, you will start to notice less shedding and less hair breakage. So guys, definitely try this out, especially for those who has been asking me what to use for hair breakage. This is something you can try. I'm sure you guys are going to love this conditioner. It really works. I mean, it works, and it's going to help you a lot. I mean, a lot. You're going to see a massive result. As I mentioned before, if you're consistent, you're going to see amazing results. So I would suggest you should add it to your hair care routine and use it on a regular basis for you to see amazing results. Moringa and aloe vera are very powerful. I mean, extremely powerful. So what you want to do is apply the treatment from your scalp to the ends of your hair. Then you want to go ahead and massage it in. Make sure you also apply it to your ends as well. Our ends are the oldest part, and they are prone to split end and breakage as well. So this hairstyle is about 1 month now because I've been super busy and I haven't had time to moisturize or hydrate her hair using my hair growth spray. So applying this conditioner will help to hydrate the hair, restore moisture to the hair, reduce hair breakage, and strengthen the hair in order to avoid hair breakage and hair shedding. So as I mentioned before, you want to use this conditioner if you're suffering from a lot of breakage. So I apply it to every single part of the hair and the scalp. I massage it in the scalp. Don't forget to also apply it to your edges as well if you're experiencing hair breakage or hair loss on your edges. So please do not wash it out with shampoo. No shampoo. Only use conditioner to rinse this treatment out. This treatment is not a pre-poo or hair mask, it's a deep conditioner. So please do not use shampoo to rinse this treatment out. So instead of using shampoo to rinse it out, what you can do is you can go ahead and use your favorite conditioner to rinse it out and apply warm water to rinse out the treatment. So once you're done applying it to the entire hair, you can go ahead and cover the hair with a plastic bag and shower cap, then allow the hair to sit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, then you can go ahead and rinse it out. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any question, leave the comment in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.